So today I'm wearing the Volt Moto heated gloves. Here's the controller. There are 4 heat settings. Got it on the lowest setting right now. It feels pretty warm. I connected the leads coming down the motorcycle sleeves into the gloves, through the controller into a battery tender pigtail, standard SAE pigtail. I had to buy a little $7 connector to coaxial female, and that provides a 12-volt power for the heated gloves. The gloves have the heating element running through front and back, all through the fingers, so there's not really a cold spot. These do run small. I generally wear an XL in glove size. These are XXL. A little bit bulky, but you know, works. I considered buying rechargeable battery-powered gloves, but the reviews on those were not too good. Short battery life, inconsistent heat delivery. Volt and other companies make a full line of heated clothing that matches well with these heated gloves. For example, if I were wearing a heated liner or jacket right now, the gloves would simply draw their power from that same connection through the jacket sleeves. One interesting thing about wearing only heated motorcycle gloves is that it draws the mind's attention to areas of the body that are not heated, like the sleeves of the motorcycle jacket, your legs. Kind of interesting.